Here at Insight Retail Software, we've always wanted one central location to keep feature tutorials, a video archive, and an FAQ. For that reason, we've developed the Learning Center. The Learning Center has all of that and more, and it's all right in your cloud back office. Let's take a look at it. To navigate to your Learning Center, just log into your cloud back office and look in the bottom right corner for this purple icon. Give it a click and it'll open up. Once you enter the Learning Center, you'll be greeted by the home page. On the left-hand side of the home page, you'll see a column that has all of the articles listed. You can use the search to search through the article titles, or just navigate through each category, clicking on the more or less to show more or less. In the Learning Center, you can browse through categories like an FAQ, inventory, POS operations, reporting, and even hardware setup and maintenance. To view one of the articles, simply click it. Some articles, like this one on the POS receipt printer, even include a handy QR code. If you scan this QR code with your phone, it'll take you to an Amazon search for the thermal paper for your receipt printer. If we head back to the home screen, up at the top right-hand corner, you'll see the Articles tab that you're on, but you can also click on Videos to view our full video library. And then there's even a new News section. Clicking over on the News section, you can see any sort of upcoming information that we'd like to alert you about. If you head over there right now, as of August 2026, you'll see an update about our upcoming big 2.0 release. Click on it there for more info. If you've browsed through the Learning Center and you don't see the topic that you would like to see covered in an article or a video, just click on Request a Topic. That'll take you over to a Google Sheet where you can type in what topic you'd like us to cover and optionally put your name, email address, and store name so that we can alert you when that article or video is available. Thanks for watching this video walkthrough. For more information, email support@insightrs.com or visit us at insightrs.com.